Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. First, let's talk about planning. Start by creating a realistic study schedule that breaks down your workload into manageable chunks. This helps you allocate sufficient time to each subject and topic, preventing last-minute cramming. Gather all your textbooks, notes, and any other resources you'll need before you begin. A well-organized study space can also significantly improve your focus and productivity. Next, let's explore active learning. Don't just passively read your notes, engage with the material. Try summarizing key concepts in your own words as if you're teaching someone else. Practice with past exam papers or sample questions to get a feel for the format and types of questions. Explaining topics aloud can also highlight areas where your understanding might be weak, helping you solidify your knowledge. Now, let's focus on memory and well-being. For memorization, flashcards or mnemonic devices can be incredibly helpful. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Stepping away for a few minutes can actually improve your focus when you return. Most importantly, ensure you get adequate sleep. It's crucial for consolidating what you've learned. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. On the morning of your exam, review your notes briefly, but avoid intense cramming. Trust the preparation you've already done. When you receive the exam, take a moment to read all instructions carefully before you start answering any questions. This prevents common mistakes and ensures you understand what's expected. And hey, if you're looking to make your daily routine a bit smoother, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.